So this is the next Google form prepared by the students and topic is neo-Mendelism. Now here I am giving the example how the students can attempt these questions and can score more marks. So this is a trial for one of the student who has prepared this one. So first as already I told you, switch your account. Then second, your email will come here. Switch your account. Then come to the questions. First question is, which of the following is an example of incomplete dominance? Right? There are 4 options: ABO blood group, then flower color, then sickle cell anemia and hemophilia. And what should be the answer?
Snapdragon flower color.
Okay. Let's see. Then second question, in codominance, the heterozygous phenotype, options are: is a blend of both alleles, shows only the dominant trait, shows both traits equally, is identical to the recessive trait. Which is the answer?
Shows both traits equally. Shows both traits equally.
Okay, not B, but this is a C1. Shows both traits equally means codominance. Okay. So now you have to read the questions and answer. You will give the answers also. The ABO blood group system is an example of, options are:
Codominance only, incomplete dominance, multiple alleles and codominance, polygenic inheritance.
and answer is
Multiple alleles and codominance.
okay. ABO blood group is example of multiple alleles. Next question is:
A lethal allele causes death when in heterozygous condition, in homozygous dominant or recessive state, only in dominant state, only in recessive state.
and answer?
In homozygous dominant or recessive state.
Okay. It means lethal means the person will die. And it will happen only in double recessive homozygous dominant or recessive traits, or only in recessive state. What will be the answer?
In homozygous dominant or recessive.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
I think it may be only in recessive state in homozygous condition. Let's see. Then the fifth question is, ratio for recessive epistasis in dihybrid crosses is?
9 options are 9:3:3:1, 12:3:1, 9:7, 9:3:4. The correct answer is 9:3:4.
And how it comes? 9 is 3 is to 4 means 9 what will be 9 and 3 and 4? Recessive epistasis. Do you understand the term recessive epistasis?
Yes, ma'am.
9 will be
9 will be albino color in mouse example.
and 3 will be
Black and 4 will be white.
4 will be white. I'm not sure. You should know the correct answer. Now the next question is, which of the following is monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance? Incomplete dominance. Options are given here: red, white, pink, black crossed with white,
Gray. Tall dwarf tall. A or O blood group A. Right option is red and white pink.
This is the monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance, means neither red is appearing nor white is appearing, rather than it's a mixture of red and white. That will be the pink. That is monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance, right? Okay. Then question number 7. The condition when a gene at one locus masks the expression of a gene at another locus is called as?
Options are linkage, pleiotropy, epistasis and codominance. The correct option is epistasis.
Epistasis, right? So above question was also about the epistasis. Epistasis means condition when a gene at one locus masks the expression of gene at another locus, not at the same locus but another locus. That is the epistasis, right? So next question is, in dominant epistasis the F2 phenotypic ratio is?
The options are 9:3:4, 12:3:1, 9:7, 13:3. The correct option is 12:3:1.
12:3, because the previous question was about the recessive epistasis and the ratio was
9:4. 4:3.
9 3 to 4. And here the ratio is 12.
12:3:1.
12:3:1. Okay. How many questions are there? Okay.
10 questions.
10 questions. So now the next question is pleiotropy is a phenomena where? Pleiotropy is another phenomena where? Number 1.
A gene has more than two alleles. One gene affects multiple traits. One gene masks the effect of another. Both alleles express equally. And the correct option is one gene affects multiple traits.
Pleiotropy. Pleiotropy, a gene that has more than one allele or one gene that affects multiple traits. Then what will be the multiple alleles? I am giving your answer. You have said B. Okay, let's see what would be the answer. Next, which of the following violates the law of independent assortment? Means that do not obey the does not obey the law of independent assortment. Options are
Incomplete dominance, lethal genes, gene linkage, codominance. The correct option is gene linkage.
gene linkage, which does not obey the law of independent assortment. And here, what happens in gene linkage? Genes
Same
come together
and
in the next generation. Okay. Now you suppose your name is A, B, C. Okay. Your roll number is suppose 1, 2, 3. Okay. And major subject is suppose zoology. Right. Now I am going to submit. Right. This is submitted. Now you can check the score. How much you have scored in this topic, neo Mendelism.